Look at those coated sugar. Crispy like glass. Do you guys want to help me make the candied fruit today?
Yes.
So we're gonna make candied grapes, candied strawberry, and sweet grape tomatoes.
And we're also gonna have oranges.
It's like grape tomatoes. But we're gonna wash the fruits first though. Okay.
Okay.
We
But
gotta clean it first.
You wanna help Mom peel the orange?
Mama, after you're done cleaning the strawberries, can I eat one of them?
Yeah. Can you? So we gotta take this off first and wash the fruit. Be careful, okay?
Poured it in my eyes. And now we have to make sure the orange does not have bugs in it.
Also, no bugs are inside oranges.
There's no bugs in orange, honey.
We watched a YouTube video where they said they love bugs and oranges and other types of fruit. Done.
Is this done?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Now can I be done? Oh my god, why do I have to keep peeling oranges? It's so easy to peel your oranges. It doesn't matter if it's so hard for you. Then you have to ask your mom. If it's hard for you guys, then you should tell your mom to open it for you. It doesn't mean that you just have to use your teeth. I know. And pretty much. And you do. Anyway, after this today, what else about today?
Only one.
This big one.
You have to dry the fruit. Make sure all the fruits are dry. I just washed it. You can help me dry those grapes.
Oh.
See, they're dry. Gently, don't squish it, okay?
Okay, so can I have a paper
Wait
towel?
1 second. They grabbed the grape and then they dyed it red and they called it a potato.
Grape tomato.
You're wrong. It's a shaped tomato. It's like shaped.
Yeah, this one's a big strawberry, Mama. Big.
Yeah, that's the biggest one. We have to make sure the grapes are clean.
Clean?
Clean and dry. We don't want to eat anything dirty.
You use a skewer. We got a grape tomato. Real grapes, huh?
Bobbies are the sweetest.
You want to make grapes or what do you want to make?
I want to make...
Great.
I would like a strawberry.
I don't know how to put it back now.
Done.
Oh, beautiful!
So, do I just place it somewhere?
You can just put it on anywhere you want.
Just put it a little bit more up.
And I'll dry some more grapes.
There we go.
Oh, are those already dried?
You can use this. It's fine.
Coffee.
You want a strawberry? No, honey.
Ah.
Why all the way
From
down?
here.
Also, don't put it like all the way down.
Yeah, you don't put it all the way down because you need some space for the
My next one, I would like
For
orange
what?
grape, orange
for your
grape.
hand.
My next
You
one, I
have
will.
to eat like this.
My next one, I would like
want
orange
one more?
grape, orange grape. My next one.
Now we're gonna make the sugar syrup. The syrup ingredients is super easy. Just need water and sugar. And the sugar amount always twice than the water amount. So if I use 1 cup of water, how many cups of sugar I should add in there?
2 cups.
Right. If I add 2 cups water, how many sugar I should add in there?
4 cups?
Yes. So I'm going to use 2 cups of water and 4 cups sugar today, okay?
Okay.
Can you help me put the water in there?
Do I just put it in?
Be careful, okay?
Okay.
You want to help me put 4 cups sugar in there too?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Can I mix it up this
No, we don't mix it up. We actually don't need to stir the water and the sugar. We just turn the heat on medium and let it cook until the sugar all melted in the water. And we have the monitor here. We can put this in. If the syrup reaches 300 Fahrenheit, that means our syrup is ready to go. All right, it's 300. Perfect. So we just dip. Woo.
Sounds like it's hot.
It has been chilled in the fridge for 30 minutes. Now this coated sugar should be crispy. Look at those coated sugar. Crispy like glass.
Is it ready?
Yes, it's ready. You guys can dig in.
Oh.
Yeah. This one's a big one. Cannot hold it, so I'll let Mommy.
Come the small one. Here.
Thank you.
Cheers, guys.
Ah.
Cheers. Is it good?
Oh, the fruit is so colorful.
Did not expect it would be like this.
And the fruit is so tasty.
When Mom was a kid, on Chinese New Year, we always buy this.
Tang hulu.
Say Tang Hulu.
Tang hulu.
All right, thank you for that.
Thank you for watching today's video. I'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Please like and subscribe.
And then.